Good evening everyone. Welcome to the BISP solution. BISP is a tech company which provides technical solution across the world. So today we are going to talk about how to calculate interest and taxes with the help of business rule. So to calculate the interest and taxes with the help of business rule, firstly we will move to the Excel sheet. Here we have a here we can see that there is an entity in this side, and along with that we can see the account. Different accounts is also there. So accounts would be here we will find the loan of particular amount, that there is a particular amount of loan like 1 lakh rupees, and for that 1 lakh we have to find out the interest. So what would be the interest we have to find out, and for this we will move to the instance first. We just refreshed it here, and now we will create a sample application first. We will create a sample application here. So for that we have to wait a little bit. Application creation process is in we just refresh the page here. Yes, now I think application creation is in process, but is still not have been created. So we will just wait for creation of the application, and the same way we will also connect our sheet to the smart view. So for connecting this sheet with the smart view, we will go to the private connection, and then we will see the link. This is the one of the link we will see, and I will click on arrow sign. Here we will we will enter the password again, and the password would be, we will wait little bit for that to check the password. Here the password would be, we will enter manually. We will manually type the password here, and then we will further we will copy the password here, and same way we will paste it. Here we are facing issue while logging in, so we will just wait little bit, and we will do again this process. Here the application creation is in process. I think there is some issue in the instance, so for that we will just wait, and now we will learn all the things manually without instance, because there is some issue in instance. So for that we will note down it with the steps. Firstly, we have to calculate the interest. So for the interest, firstly we have to create a two children's. First one would be interest, and second one would be loan. After that, after the interest and loan, second time we will create a business rule for that. Business rule which clearly indicate the formula, the multiplication and all the things similarly. Along with that, we will connect Excel with Smart View. Connect Excel with Smart View. Once it will be connected, after creating the rule, in third step we also have to do one another thing, that would be after creating business rule we will validate the rule, validate, deploy, after that validate, deploy and launch. After that we will connect it through the Smart View. And once it will connect it to the Smart View, then we will select member dimensions like account, entity, year, period, after that, after the member dimension, once we will select the member dimension, and thereafter we will enter the value, we will enter the value. Actual value we will enter, and thereafter we have to just launch the rule. After that we after that the actual figure of interest we will do. While creating the rule, we actually create a formula also, like interest equals to loan multiplied by 0.05. Percent. That's a formula, and the same way we have to use that formula with fix and end fix, and we also have to add member dimension under it. Once we will do, then the resultant figure of interest would come into the picture while applying that formula. So this is the actual business rule of interest, and here the same way we have to calculate the taxes. taxes would be the same way. We will do this thing like the interest and taxes, so same way, like for the tax, for tax we have to tax equals to tax tax equals to profit, and it would be multiplied by like 0.06%. So in the same way we will do this thing. So this is actually the tax, how we have to enter the formula. And we also use fix and end fix. Also select account, entity, period, and different dimension under it. So that is the actual formula which we have to do. And once we will apply that formula, we will get the particular value under it. This is the actual process of calculating interest, how we will calculate the interest under it. Because we are facing issue while connecting it to the smart view, and the same way we also facing issue in creating the application. That's why we are manually doing this thing. So if you hope you will like the session. I did all the things perfectly manually because we are facing issue in our instance, so we did all the things manually. If you have any problem, then you can feel free to contact me. Hope you like the session, hope you like the steps, hope you actually getting the things which I'm trying to explain to you. And if you have any problem, then you can feel free to ask me. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your participation. Now I will end up this session. If you have any issue, then you can feel free to ask. That's it for today. So now I am going to close this session. Thank you.